Hey everyone, welcome back to the Velocity Hub channel. If you love cars that make your heart race and your jaw drop, you're in the right place. Today we're looking at something that shouldn't exist, but thank God it does. This is not your grandpa's 124W. This is not a factory Mercedes. This is a full-blown, no-compromise restomod that takes the most iconic luxury sedan of the 1980s and 90s and catapults it straight into 2026. Timeless boxy elegance meets aggressive modern performance. And trust me, once you see it in motion, you're never gonna forget it. Back in the day, the 124W was Mercedes' masterpiece. Built like a tank, safe enough to survive 200 km/h crashes in tests, and so reliable, people are still daily driving them with 500,000 kilometers on the clock. But this 2026 version, it keeps the soul and adds pure attitude. From the front, the transformation is insane. The classic upright grille is still there, that proud three-pointed star sitting front and center, but everything around it has been sharpened to a razor's edge. The new LED headlights are slimmer, meaner, with that signature light bar that glows like it's ready for a nighttime run on the Autobahn. Look at that aggressive front bumper. Massive air intakes, gloss black aero blades, and those subtle red accent lines that scream, there's serious power hiding under here. The deep metallic bronze paint, it shifts color in the sunlight like liquid metal. One second it's warm champagne, the next it's dark and menacing. This is a 124W that doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. Now walk around to the side and tell me this isn't perfect. The legendary W124 silhouette is untouched, that perfect boxy stance that made it an icon, but everything else has been dropped, widened, and tuned. The suspension is slammed just right. The fenders are subtly flared. Those huge multi-spoke wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the low ride height gives it that aggressive street presence without ruining the classic proportions. Subtle side skirts with red highlights, mirror caps that match the body, every single detail feels intentional. This is the sweet spot between heritage and horsepower. At the bat, they went full send. A full-width LED light bar, smoked lenses, and that clean, muscular rear end. The quad exhaust tips are massive and perfectly centered in an aggressive diffuser. The rear bumper is sculpted, the stance is planted, and that subtle trunk lip spoiler just ties it all together. This isn't a resto that looks old in the mirror. This is a car that looks like it's chasing tomorrow. Open the door and you're instantly transported. Creamy beige leather that feels like a cloud, rich wood trim that still screams old-school Mercedes luxury. But then you look at the dashboard and boom! Modern meets classic perfectly. A full digital instrument cluster, a massive central touchscreen with navigation and modern infotainment, yet the layout still respects the original W124's driver-focused design. The steering wheel mixes wood and leather like a classic, but the flat bottom hints at performance. Ambient lighting, soft close everything, and that golden hour glow coming through the windows, this cabin makes you want to drive across continents without ever getting out. Now the big question, what's under the hood? The original W124 had everything from humble 4-cylinders to roaring V8s. This resto mod? We're talking a modern turbo inline-six or V8 swap, putting out somewhere between 350 and 500 plus horsepower. Rear-wheel drive, upgraded brakes, fully revised suspension, and that quad exhaust soundtrack that's going to sound ridiculous. It keeps the W124's legendary ride quality, but adds the punch to embarrass modern sports sedans at the lights. So how much for a car like this? A clean, original W124 might set you back $8,000 to $25,000 depending on condition. This full custom resto mod? We're looking at $90,000 to $160,000 plus once you factor in the bodywork, suspension, wheels, interior, and modern powertrain. That puts it in the same conversation as high-end Singer Porsches or custom Ferrari restomods. This isn't mass-produced, this is one-of-one territory. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz W124 restomod proves one simple truth. Great design never dies. It evolves. It takes everything we loved about the original, the bulletproof engineering, the timeless shape, the understated luxury, and gives it the performance and presence it deserves for the next decade. So here's the question I want you to answer in the comments right now. Would you daily drive this restomod, or would you keep a bone-stock W124? Drop your answer below. Smash that like button if this car just made your day, and subscribe because we've got more insane restomods and future classics coming every week. Hit the bell for you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next one. Stay passionate, keep driving what you love, and I'll catch you on the road.